Are you looking for the best affiliate marketing websites to skyrocket your earnings? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 best affiliate marketing websites that will help you make the most amount of money without incredibly long payouts or any hassles when promoting. Now, before I dive into the very first great paying and easy to use website, I actually created a free cheat sheet with my 7 best social media posts so you can swipe and use to get massive clicks to your affiliate links with these exact websites. To get instant access, just click the first link directly below. Now, everyone knows Amazon. It's one of the largest companies in the world right now. Well, Amazon just happens to have an amazing affiliate marketing platform called Amazon Associates, where you can literally make passive income. Amazon Associates is definitely one of the best affiliate programs out there, but what is so good about it? Well, I want to tell you some of the reasons. Amazon Associates gives you access to millions of products across various categories, and this diversity makes it easy for you to find products that work for your specific target audience. Amazon is a world-famous trusted brand, and who doesn't like working with trusted brands? Working with Amazon will definitely increase your credibility since it's a trusted platform. Now, the commission rates offered by Amazon Associates are not the best you'll find on any platform. I'm gonna be completely honest. They can offer up to 20%, but it does have performance-based incentives that will give you extra motivation. One of the really cool things about Amazon Associates is it gives you extra commission earnings on purchases made by referred customers within a specific time frame. So even if customers buy products other than the ones you initially recommended, you can still get a commission, which is pretty cool, right? Now, apart from making money, you also need to build your business, and Amazon Associates has just the thing. Now, I'm talking about really cool tracking and reporting tools that can give you detailed insights into your clicks, your conversions, your earnings, and more. Now, one quick bonus tip with Amazon Associates before I move on to the very next website is I recommend promoting higher priced products such as TVs, cameras, etc., so you can really capitalize on the lower commission percent and make the most amount of money. Now, at number 2, we have ClickBank. ClickBank is definitely a close second. It's also one of the best affiliate marketing programs and websites you'll see out there if you really want to make a lot of money. Now, what's so great about ClickBank and what opportunities does it offer as an affiliate marketer? Well, ClickBank arguably has one of the largest vast marketplaces on any affiliate marketing platform. Now, I'm talking thousands of digital products, all in different niches such as health, fitness, self-help. Whatever niche you're looking for, ClickBank is where you're gonna find it. Now, as you already know, the more options you have, the bigger your target audience actually gets. And the bigger that your target audience gets, the more money and commissions you can actually make. Now, if there's one thing that ClickBank is known for, it's the high commission rates. ClickBank offers some of the highest commission rates in the industry, often ranging from 50% to 75%. This means more money on every referral you successfully convert. Now, I don't know about you, but that's a pretty sweet deal. Now, ClickBank's platform is designed to be user-friendly and accessible for both experienced and novice affiliate marketers. Now, it may not sound like a lot, but with a good interface, you can really navigate and select the products, generate unique affiliate links, and even track your sales and earnings, all of which will help your work be a lot more smoother. Now, ClickBank also, which is unlike Amazon, it gives you resources, so different ad copy, email swipes, and things you can actually use to make a lot of sales. It also gives you timely commission payouts, and you can also choose various payment methods, direct deposit, check, etc., so you can receive those payments consistently with whatever method you choose. Okay, next up is a site called CJ Affiliate. Now, CJ is also one of the best affiliate programs for beginners without affiliate experience, because after registering, you can immediately start sharing your affiliate link, and there's really no screening process. So what makes CJ different from the rest? Well, for one, CJ Affiliate really has an expansive network of advertisers. You'll find all kinds of advertisers on CJ, from well-known brands to niche businesses, and this is exactly what you need. Now, this wide range of advertisers gives you a wide range of products and services to promote. Now, it also gives you the ability and the opportunity to cater to a diverse audience of different interests, which can actually increase the amount of commissions you make. Now, it doesn't slack when it comes to tracking either. This platform, CJ Affiliate, comes with tracking technology that will accurately monitor your sales and conversions. Now, with that, you can get proper credit and you don't have to worry about any disagreements when it comes to who referred that person to the sale. Now, it also comes with a reporting tool that makes it easy to track your performance, analyze your data, and then make the best decisions to see what's actually working and what's not working, so you can go ahead and figure out how to scale fast. Now, you'll be able to see your different earnings, optimize your business, look at the different campaigns that you're running, and really just increase profitability all around. Now, one thing that makes CJ Affiliate different from other platforms is that it has a supportive community where marketers can actually connect, learn, get advice from experienced professionals, and more. They also provide educational resources, webinars, and tutorials to step up your marketing, which, unlike, like I said, Amazon and even ClickBank, they don't tend to have. So again, CJ Affiliate isn't on the top of the list for me, but it does offer a wide range of different resources and tools and products, so I definitely wanted to mention it on this list. Now, the next website is ShareASale. Now, ShareASale is one of the most popular with affiliate marketers because of the amazing platform, but I want to run down why exactly it's so popular. Now, ShareASale has an impressive network of merchants in many different industries. Some of the most well-known brand partners are Etsy, Reebok, and even Warby Parker, if you're familiar with them. So if you're interested in fashion, beauty, home decor, ShareASale is your place to bring your business. Now, your work is safe on ShareASale, where it's reliable tracking system that it has accurately records all the sales, all the referrals, so you really don't have to do much work at all. Just send traffic or clicks to your different affiliate links. It also offers a good affiliate range. Now, some of them, the products can be a little bit low, like 5%, but it can also offer commission percentages as high as 50% per commission, which isn't that bad. Now, combine it with a lot of the other platforms I've shared. It's not my favorite, but one thing that it really does well is it allows you to access a very user-friendly database. You know, it's very easy to navigate, it's very easy to find different products and different things. And so for those reasons, I really think, again, if you're someone brand new, if you're someone that is in fashion or a beauty niche, then ShareASale can definitely be one of the places for you. And it's really easy and simple. So as you can see, ShareASale is definitely worthy of its spot on this list. It may not be one thing exceptionally well, but there's a lot of balanced features, easy to use database, and good products, which I had to mention. Now, before I dive into the last incredibly powerful website in this video, if you're not getting clicks to your products that you're promoting from these websites, you're not gonna still be able to make the money you want. Be sure to go down to the link below, get access to my totally free cheat sheet, which gives you tons of copy paste social media posts that I've personally used to get tons and tons of clicks to my links. You can get that at the link directly below. Now, last on this list, but definitely not least, is Rakuten Advertising. Now, maybe you know of Rakuten as Barcelona Football Club's former sponsors. Not to worry, that's where Rakuten Advertising comes from. It's one of the biggest money makers in the affiliate marketing industry. Now, let's see exactly why that is. Rakuten Advertising has an extensive network of consumer brands, top-tier partners in so many different industries. They're partners with Lyft, Lego, Macy's, and so many other brands. Now, whatever you're looking to promote, Rakuten Advertising has got it. Rakuten Advertising has probably the most advanced tracking technology, so their tracking tech is very reliable. You can be sure your work and your payments are safe and well accounted for. Another good thing about Rakuten Advertising is that they don't have fixed commission rates. So their commission rates vary depending on the brands and product categories that you use. So how much you make is really determined by your own work. Also, probably one of the best things is, as I mentioned, the reporting tools. They have AI-powered reporting tools that give better insights on your performance. So Rakuten advertising is definitely not a small timer in the affiliate marketing world. It's not the highest performing and it's not the top of my list, but with everything considered, it's definitely worth checking out. See, affiliate marketing has really become a powerful and easy way to earn passive income in today's world. But if you're looking to make money as an affiliate, it's not just your skills you need, you also need to have a good affiliate marketing platform or website so your skills don't go to waste. Now, whichever one of these you choose in this video, it will make your life easier and you will find great products. That's the end of this video, my friend. I really hope you got value. If you did, be sure to like the video, subscribe with the bell icon. I have way more videos coming, and also be sure to click this video right here. It will take you to a playlist with much more of my affiliate marketing training. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.